Cast on the number of the stitches, multiply to 4 plus 2 selvages. Work 2 rows with knit stitches. The first row, work with knit stitches. The second row, work with purl stitches. The third and the fourth rows work as the first and the second rows. The fifth row, pass over 2 stitches and between the second and the third stitches go down with 4 rows and pull the yarn. Work 4 knit stitches and from the same hole pull again the yarn. Further continue form the beginning of the row and in this way work till the end. The sixth row, yarn in front of the work. Slip the extended stitch, work 4 purl stitches. Turn the second stitch and also slip it. Further continue alternating. The seventh row. Place the extended loop over the first stitch and work as a knit stitch. 2 knit stitches, place the extended loop over the stitch and work as a knit stitch. Work in this way till the end of the row. The eighth row, work all purl stitches. Alternate purl row and knit row till you get to the 13th row. Further work the pattern in the chessboard order. The 13th row, 2 knit stitches, pass over 2 stitches and go down with 4 rows and pull the loop. Repeat the pattern as in the 5th row. The 14th row, work all purl stitches. Only the extended loops work as in the 6th row. The 15th row, work 2 knit stitches, place the extended over the stitch. Work it the same as a knit stitch, 2 knit stitches and repeat the 7th row. Further repeat from the 1st to the 15th row.